Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Today I'm going to show you the latest movie just released today from Disney called Spooky Buddies. Comes with a really nice lenticular cover. Here, let me try to show you. Pretty cool lenticular. Let's get this one out. It's almost the same layout design here, of course. Here you're just gonna see the beagle, and here you have the beagle or the dog Casper. In the back we have the exact same design, and this is a 2-disc combo, Blu-ray and DVD. Comes with another code for your Disney movie rewards. So let's open this and let me show you the design here. Get this one out. So here's the code for your movie rewards. Here you can get a plush, buddy plush with a costume. It just costs, let's see here, $3.15 for shipping and handling. Here we have the DVD. It's just plain silver, region 1. And here's the Blu-ray, region 3, with a really nice design of all the buddies. It says right there, ABC, region 3. The flyer that comes with it is the 3D. This flyer comes in every single Disney movie. And also Spooktacular. Let's see what we have here. Disney Club, Beauty and the Beast in 3D, Winnie the Pooh Blu-ray, Dumbo, Space Adventure from Clubhouse, some games, and here we have Spooky Buddies book, and the Pixie Hollow games, November 2011. So let me show you the special features here up close. And if you buy this at Best Buy along with Dumbo, you get $8 off plus a free Dumbo plush. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more Blu-ray updates every week. See ya!